All right, example 2, use Euler's notation to write the square root of negative 13, the square root of negative 4, and the square root of 3 times the square root of negative 2. So, first off, this one, the minus sign inside the radical becomes I. The square root of 13 is 13, square root of 13. I can't make square root of 13 any prettier because I don't know what the square root of 13 is. The end. When it says use Euler's notation, they just want you to use i's to represent negatives in the radicals. Okay, on this one, the minus inside the radical becomes I. What's the square root of 4 equal?
2.
So 2i would be the best result there. And again, for me personally, I like to put the i's in front of the square root symbol, but I like to put the i's behind the whole numbers. But if you want to put the square root of 13i, just again, make sure it's obviously not underneath the bar. Make an effort to put a little space there, make sure it doesn't look like it's underneath the bar. Okay, the last one. Same situation we had in the last problem, right? We have a negative in this radical, that radical's fine. So the square root of 3 is behaving itself. The square root of 2, we're going to take the I out, leave the 2 in. And once we get both these numbers positive, we get the square root of 6i. So there's Euler's notation to write each of those. All right, so again, if that's the case of the problem, that's it. That's more going to be within the context of most of the problems. These things are going to be happening. You might get a little practice in this specific homework assignment. That's not going to happen for long. The next 3 problems are more likely it's going to be happening as we continue forward.
Dang.